This is the Sleet Socket Outlet and Plug Concealer with dual side-by-side power strips and cord management kit. The company sent this to me so I could check it out. We operate a property management company and we need these things all the time. This is exactly what I've been looking for. This is one of those items you didn't know you needed until you saw it here. It's going to basically plug in flat here behind the couch or a bed or a dresser. We have had this problem all the time. In our properties, we'll put the cord in there and then the dresser sticks out or the bed sticks out. We never had a solution. This is absolutely going to help us out. This one here comes with two 8-foot, 3 outlet power strips. Let's open it up and see what's inside right here. I've been looking for this solution for a long time. This is like cable management here. It says the 3M tape on the back, so you could put the cord here. It looks like you're going to run this along like the baseboards. And then this is more of the same here. So they give you a lot of different things, one for each side. It looks like, but this is exactly what I was looking for right here. Let's see, it just comes side by side like this. So the plug is going to go on right here. So it's got the 3 prongs right here. So this is going to go on both outlets. And then you're going to have an 8-foot cord on each side here. So this is going to come in handy be on like a king size bed where it's in the middle. And then you have the 2 nightstands. So you're going to have the 3 plugs on each side. A lot of times if you have the fabric upholstered headboard or a wooden headboard, it's right in line. They put the main bar right in line where the outlet is. You always have to put it out a little bit. And then if you have a carpet in there and you change it, it just never fits the proper way. So this is exactly what I've been looking for our properties. I'm going to be very pleased with this once I install it because it's going to be exactly what I needed here. I probably won't use these to run it on the baseboard because it will be behind, like I said, behind the furniture, but I could see this coming in really handy if you're going to have any of the cord exposed. So definitely want to check this out. Again, it's the Sleet Socket. It's the outlet and plug concealer with dual side-by-side power strip and cord management kit. So again, you get 2 8-foot cords, 1 plug here. So this is definitely going to come in handy if you're putting this behind furniture. And you're going to be able to put this on the baseboard however you need to, but you're going to be able to plug in 6 devices out of these power strip right here. Highly recommend picking this up.